Hello, my name is Thryss. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are a returning yarn gremlin, welcome back. I'm happy to have you no matter what. So, happy December. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Baudi, Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate, or if you celebrate nothing at all, happy December. So, excuse me, it is the official release of Full Spectrum Birthstone and the regular sub box collections for the month of December 2024. So this is the last month of the Birthstone collection. All right, so I will show the yarn in a moment. I will be giving a verbal description of what it looks like, but my ordering process changed last month, so please listen. I will get through it quickly. You can pay through Cashapp, Zelle, or PayPal. I cannot think of the word. Orders are due by the 8th, unless you have spoken to me otherwise. The price is $20 per hank. However many you want is good by me, and then $7 for shipping. So if you order 2 hanks, it's $40 plus 7. 3 hanks, $60 plus 7. 4 hanks, $80 plus 7. You get the idea. Okay, I need your name, I need your address, and I need which box you are ordering. And I need the weight of the box you're ordering. There is a note or message system in all 3 payment sources. I can't think of words. That you can put that information. So name, address, box, and weight. So most people do BS for Birthstone, FS for Full Spectrum, and then this month we do have a special colorway. Just put opal. Okay, I will show it here in a moment. So just make those distinctions. If for whatever reason you have to email me, the email will be in the description box below. It is the fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com, not the Thryss 314. I won't get that. Okay. You can order any month of the Birthstone collection from January all the way to this month. Next month, I will also allow to order previous months, just because I know December is really hard financially because of Christmas, Hanukkah, all the holidays. Okay, so the Birthstone comes in fingering weight, DK weight, and worsted weight. Fingering is 437 yards, DK is 231 yards, and the worsted weight is 187 yards. 100% superwash merino. The special opal only comes in fingering weight, 437 yards, and DK weight, 231 yards. And then the Full Spectrum box, which I'll reiterate this in a moment, only comes in fingering weight and DK weight as well. So this month currently, the only thing you can get worsted weight in is the Birthstone box. Okay, so I'm going to show you the yarn now. I think I gave you all the ordering information. I really think I did. Okay. So for December, it's another one of those months where I had to make decisions. April, October, and December, I knew the whole year was going to give me my biggest trouble. December is giving me trouble because there's already been 2 months where there have been blue turquoise type colorways. March for aquamarine, and then sapphire for September. So I knew December was going to give me trouble because it's all blue birthstones or aquas, you know. So zircon is one of the birthstones. There's tanzanite, zircon, and turquoise. So what I did was I saw enough pictures of zircon that look like this that I went ahead and went with that. This can also be tanzanite because there are different colors of tanzanite. There's all different colors of tanzanite. Okay. This is darker in person. I already know. I've already trial run this on the camera and it's blowing it out. But this is the birthstone. Oh, and it's not showing the purple. What the heck? Hold on. Let's play with some lights here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's not really showing it. All right. So what this is it has a turquoise base, but like 80% of the yarn is in dark blue and purple. And that this zircon, which I will put here, somewhere right here, is my inspo. It has its blue and purple or blurple or whatever. That's what I'm taking inspo from. So it's got mostly dark blue, dark purple, but it's got shocks of aqua through there too. So it's very zircon, but it's got tanzanite vibes. So that's what I went with, because otherwise, no matter which way I sliced it, it was looking like March and September. So that's what we did. I like it. I think it's pretty. You know, blue and purple together are gorgeous. So now this is also getting blown out. This is darker in real life. Let me see if I can get it to show. It's just me messing with my lights. Okay. No, forget it. All right. So as you can see, this is, again, like last month, this is a gold sparkle base. That gold is much more gold in real life, but it's delicate. It's so pretty. So this is a spruce, emerald, pine, if you will, green. I just literally cannot get it to show up on screen like I want it to. It's darker than this. It's more like, that's a little bit better. That's a little better. With that gold, it's gorgeous. This is almost solid. It is slightly tonal, but this is almost basically solid. I thought it would just, I don't know, stand on its own, be really pretty. It could be for Christmas, but it could also be for any other time, to where you can't, I didn't want to do Christmas specific where you could only use it this month. I wanted to do something that you could use year round, and green, dark green with a gold sparkle, just, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. This is so pretty. So, okay, then the special colorway, this was to make up for October's, guys, this video is probably all over the place, I'm sorry. October's birthstone of opal. I didn't do opal. I did tanzanite? I don't know what tourmaline? Tourmaline. I did tourmaline. Which I knew wasn't going to fully go over well, but I did what I had to do. This was not going to fit in with the rest of the birthstone collection because it's darker colorways and it's tonal. So if you look, these are neon kind of fluorescent. They do fluoresce, but they're like neon neps. There are yellow ones, orange ones, green ones, and pink ones. And then I dyed it to get the greens and purples and blues. That's what I dyed the base, so that you could still get those hues. Now, members will know this. Members are actually the ones that decided which ones came up. my little yarn gremlins. These were the two different colorways that I dyed up, and I had members choose which one was going to be released, and they chose this one. So they get to do lots of fun stuff like that. They help come up with a lot of things. So they get to have a pretty heavy hand in like the direction of the channel and content that comes up, which is very cool. So that is the opal colorway. So for the birthstone, there is fingering, DK, and worsted. And then for the full spectrum, and for which, I'm calling, so the full spectrum is called Yuletide, and it comes in fingering or DK. And then the opal comes in fingering or DK. So the only thing, like I said, that you can get in worsted weight this month is the birthstone collection, and it will be darker in real life. It's more like this back here. It will have the dark blues and dark purples. So I hope you guys enjoyed these, and what I would love for you to do in the comments below, because I have not yet decided what is replacing the birthstone collection next year, and it's kind of stressing your girl out. If you could leave comments on what you think would be good to do. There's been suggestions of like postcards. Do it based off postcards. Do it based off of exotic fish, based off of flowers, based off of desserts. I think that one might kind of be the leading one right now. There's all kinds of things that you could suggest. All suggestions are welcome. Give me a list of them. Leave, if you have 5 suggestions, leave 5 comments. You know, 1 suggestion for each comment. However you want to do it, I don't care. But leave a suggestion below, and then members in about 2 weeks are going to vote and help decide what next year's special box is going to be. So I'm very excited because I don't even know what it's going to be. So, all right, I think I've covered everything. Forgive me if I have not. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments below, or feel free to email me. And yeah, I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. So protect your peace, y'all, and remember that you are worthy and you are loved, and I will talk to you guys later.